Hi, today we're going to have a quick lesson on horses' ears. It's a small detail, but it can make or break your portrait of a horse because ears are different for every horse and they're very characteristic. So by the end of this video you will be able to draw perfect ears forever. Let's begin.
Okay, so I've got some Bristol paper and some markers. We'll start off with a really light grey one, and this triangle is what a lot of people draw as a horse's ear, and it is a little bit like a triangle, but it is a three-dimensional object, and I prefer not to think of it as a triangle. We'll give it a face so you can see where the ear goes. Okay, so what you do that little stripe, just that little stripe I did there, bringing the triangle back, makes it more realistic ear. So what I like to think about is like a PVC pipe, a hollow pipe, and it's cut off at a very acute angle. I'm taking a darker marker and I'm going to cut this pipe in a very sharp angle. Now it actually already looks like an ear. Now there is like an extra rim. It sticks out a little bit. It's like an inverted comma. So you get that little comma point and then a long line to bring it back to the base. And then at the base an ear is a little bit, a horse's ear is a little bit round and bulging out, so it becomes wider than the pipe where we started. So if you draw an ear almost from the front here, again we think of this PVC pipe that's cut off at a sharp angle. Give him a little bit of hair, the forelock, so you know that this is ear to the right, and then we draw this inverted comma and a little bulge at the bottom, and then some hairs inside the ear, give it some depth. And so now you have a very natural looking horse's ear. Does this make sense? Give me a thumbs up. So you can also use the ears to give a horse character or an expression. So I'm drawing a very angry horse here, and an angry horse has the ears flat in the neck. He is not happy. I will give him a little bit of space. And if a horse is interested in something, it's looking forward. We're having a carrot right in front of him, and then the ears are pricked up and turned forward, and this gives the horse an alert and also a friendly expression. Now a horse can, for example, have the ears sort of left and right pointing when it's concentrated, or when it's sleeping. Let's draw an old horse. He's very old, his lower lip is hanging down a little bit. He's taking a nap in the daytime, his eyes are closed, and his ears are dangling a little bit, left and right. And he's having his afternoon nap in the sun. Give him a little bit of manes, and we're done.
Now you can draw a perfect horse's ear, and you can change it for every different horse that you paint or draw or paint. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe if you loved it. Here, click here. And over here is another video on drawing horses. Bye!